Okay. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about healthy and unhealthy semen. Now, this video comes to us from a viral Twitter post that was posted, I want to say back in May, right? And when it came out, what the picture was of a girl's hands, and she had her clients ejaculate all over her hands. She gives hand jobs, all right? But the sperm, it was very clumpy and chunky, and it just looked not normal. And I was thinking to myself, this has to be a yeast infection, it can't be anything else. Of course, I had to run and do my research, and that is why we're doing this video now, so that we can all be knowledgeable of what healthy semen is supposed to look like, which we all want, right boys? Right. So what healthy semen is supposed to look like, it's supposed to be a nice thick consistency, not too runny, not too thick either, but just a nice right in the middle, soft, right? It's supposed to look almost transparent, whitish, grayish, almost cloudy type of look. If it's yellow, it's unhealthy. That means you need to get something checked out. Now, the issue with the picture was that it was very clumpy. I don't know if I said that, but the semen, it was white, but it was clumpy. If it's clumpy, that means you need to be drinking more water. You're not drinking enough water. Water makes up, what is it, 90% of your body. Drink, if you find yourself having a clumpier ejaculate, you need to drink more water. That will thin it out. That will also affect the taste. A lot of you like to ejaculate in your girl's mouth, and you want her to swallow it, right? For her to swallow it, it has to taste good. It has to, the same way you want when you go down in a girl, you want her to taste like nothing, you want her to taste like water. It's the same way when you're busting down her throat. She wants to taste nothing. If it has a particular taste, you need to drink more water. Less red meat, less protein, less alcohol, more water. More physical activities, more water. Okay, that's what's going to give it a more pleasant taste. This is also what's going to kind of bring the pH to some sort of normalcy, right? You don't want it. Me personally, I've never had semen in my eyeball to know if this is true or not, but I've heard stories, friends have said it to me, I saw it on different tweets, that semen does burn the eyes. So I would avoid getting it in that area there. Just make sure your eyes are closed. But I don't think it's supposed to burn. Like, if it does burn, I don't know, you probably need to drink more water. If your partner is telling you that it smells weird, it tastes weird, if it looks weird, if it burns in any way, shape, or form, you need to drink more water. Now, if your semen is yellow in any way, shape, or form, if it burns when you pees, if it burns when you ejaculate, if any type of burning is going on your part, you need to get yourself tested, because that sounds like a sexually transmitted disease. And it doesn't have, it might not be any of like the really, really big ones like syphilis or gonorrhea or chlamydia, but it could still be something, right? And then with men, when they have any type of STDs, it's very rare. Like, their symptoms are not as pronounced as it is in women. And with men, if they so happen to burn when they pee, they know instantly that's what it is. With women, it could be BV, it could be a yeast infection, it could be a host of a myriad of other things. But for men, they know right away. So for men, I encourage especially to get to, you know what? Let me not say especially. Men and women should be getting tested annually. If you're in a relationship, annually. If you're single, every 6 months. Okay, is my battery dying? Oh my gosh, my battery is dying. Make sure that you are getting tested. Make sure that you are wearing condoms if you're having sex with multiple people. Make sure that you are letting your partners know your sexual history. Make sure that you're letting your partners know if you're sleeping with more than one person. Okay, but as far as the topic of the video goes, make sure that if your sperm is chunky and clumpy, I keep looking here because I'm looking at the battery at a time. If your sperm is clunky and chunky, you need to drink more water. That is not a sign of an infection, especially if the color is still white. Okay, so unless it's like a yellowish, like a off-putting color, then yeah, but try to drink more water, see if that changes anything. If that does not change anything, then definitely run to your doctor. Try your little home remedies first, and then you go off to your doctor. Okay? Okay. I hope this video was helpful. I hope I got to say everything I needed to say. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face.